Hi everyone. So here we will see one thing that we generally do mistake. So how to access maps in an optimized manner. So what I will discuss today is a small mistake that maximum 9 out of 10 programmers do. So we try to avoid this one. So let's discuss what happens. So if you see this code here, what some fishy things you see here. Let take your time and see the code carefully and find out how can we optimize this code further. So pause the video and think. So if you find this line and you're thinking that we can optimize this further, you are correct. So like here we are just uh, returning this object only, so no need to look into the cache. We can return the database object directly. So this is the first thing you can optimize here. If you found it, then congratulations, you are in correct path. So one more thing that we can optimize here is that here see, you are doing cache dot contents key, means you are like just checking whether that key is present or not. If that key is present, you are just returning the value of that key from that cache. Since this cache is a map, so you are getting the value of that key. So what happens here, if you see the code carefully, you are doing lookups 2 times into the cache map. So for first time you are checking whether that key is present or not, and for the second time to gain that value of key. So what will be the optimized code? So this will be the optimized code. Here we are just returning the db object as we discussed, and here what we will do, like we will get the database object using cache dot key dot get key. So if it will be null, means we don't have the record of that key. If that is not null, we can directly return the value of that key. So here we are doing the lookup one time, isn't it? Here we are doing the lookup one time. So this is the thing that I want to discuss today. So is it really matters? Yeah, why two lookups? So it really matters. So two lookups took CPU cycle, and CPU cycle took power. So it really matters when the system is very large and the millions of requests are coming, because you have to waste CPU cycle for that to two lookups instead of one lookup. It is not a good practice at all, and as we discussed, it is not a ideal for large scale application where millions of lookups are being or millions of lookups are being taking place in the cache. So we should try to avoid this one, like this is not a good prime practice. So we try to do like accessing the maps in one lookup. Okay, that is the thing that I want to discuss today. Thank you.